In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in GeneratePress into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this walkthrough, I am using a WordPress demo page styled with GeneratePress. The page has a simple button that sends visitors to a business service page. GeneratePress handles the clean page layout, and WordPress is where I edit the button. Right now, the button uses a normal direct link. It sends visitors to the service page, but it does not show a clear ClickMagick report for this specific button. I will open the service page in a new tab. This is the destination visitors should reach. I will copy the direct link from the browser. Now I will open ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. For the name, I will use GeneratePress Service Demo. Then I will paste the service page link into the destination field. This lets ClickMagick record the click and then send visitors to the same page. I will save the tracking link. ClickMagick gives me a new tracking link to use on the WordPress demo page. I will copy it and go back to the page editor. Now I will select the GeneratePress button. I will replace the old direct link with the ClickMagick tracking link. The page still looks the same. The button text stays the same. The tracking happens behind the click. Now I will update the page and open the live version. I will click the GeneratePress button once. The same service page opens, so the destination is still correct. Now I will return to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. The test click is now recorded. Here I can see how many clicks this GeneratePress link gets. The main report shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net profit, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can review the clicks per day chart, link view, referrer, sub-ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. Now the GeneratePress button gives me clean click data inside ClickMagick. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.